Hello traders and welcome to SlothTrading. In this video we are going to be talking and analyzing TSM stock forecast. So as you may know, on our website SlothTrading.com we make price predictions for stocks, forex and cryptocurrencies for different time frames using our algorithm, which is based on a convolutional neural network. So as you can see, over the last 3 months or 12 weeks, we achieved 13% on Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, which is a great result, I would say. And this 1 week time frame means that our algorithm makes a prediction every single hour within a 1 week time frame. So that means if today is Tuesday, 11 a.m., and our algorithm makes a prediction for 1 week time frame, that means that it's making a prediction for next Tuesday at 11 a.m. So 1 full week, 5 days in this case if we are talking about stock market because it's closed during weekends. So the results, the yield has been steadily growing over the last 12 weeks, going from $1,000 to a little bit more than 1,100, which is great for 3 months. And the binary accuracy means that the percentage of times that our algorithm was right with the prediction. So if the algorithm said that the price was going to go up and it finally went up, then we count that as a hit. And if it went down, we count that as a miss. So the accuracy was 81%, which is great. It's great. And the trading hours percentage bets, this data, what it means that we only trade when a certain threshold of confidence is reached. So if our algorithm for any reason is not confident about opening a position, then it doesn't open a position. So as you can see, some weeks it traded 77% of the trading hours, and some of the weeks it almost didn't trade. But the accuracy was great. It was 81%. So that was why we achieved a nice result. And we can see this data at SlothTrading.com. So now we can see the data that is shown on the website, and it's currently saying that Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing will be trading around $64.61 at 9 UTC at 24th of October, which means it will be down at minus 0.39% compared to its reference price. So it's going to be some kind of, it's going to be flat. So maybe we could say that if it's going to be more or less flat within 1 week, maybe we shouldn't open a position. But here you can also see what have been the previous trades, all the positions that have been opened, which is great. You can see so many data here. Okay, so if we go to Trading View and we go to TSM, we see that it's not worth to open maybe a position, because what the algorithm is saying is that it's going to be like over here, which we have a huge range where it could go up, down. So it's gonna stay pretty much flat. So I wouldn't open a position at all. I don't think it's worth it, even though the accuracy is great. So I would advise you to keep an eye on this, because the accuracy has been great, so that the yield has been as well. Okay, so this has been all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to upload on a daily basis to analyze some stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies, mainly the most successful ones here at SlothTrading. And we will give some price predictions for different time frames. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you like this video. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.